Hi guys, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design. Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet the Mirabella dress. It's made with a chevron stitch and we are going to attach some tassels. And while you are here, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell and hit the like button. For my dress I'm going to use a blend of cotton yarn, lightweight, yellow color and cotton in black color category 2, a measuring tape, 4mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors. Okay, so take your yarn and your 4mm crocheting hook, make a slip knot and chain a multiple of 10. For my dress I've chained a total of 80 chains. This dress is going to be a size small medium. And then once you have your chain, go ahead and close to form a ring. Now for the tutorial I'm going to chain less just to show you how the chevron stitch works. Okay, so once you have your chain done, you want to make sure it isn't twisted. Chain 3 to step up. This counts as your first double crochet. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2, yarn over, and in the next stitch you are going to make 2 double crochets. So this is going to be the chevron stitch increase, like so. Now make 1 double crochet in your next 8 chains. So since we have a multiple of 10, and now we are going to make again our chevron stitch increase. So in the next stitch you are going to make 2 double crochets in the same stitch, so in the same chain, and then chain 2, and in the next chain again make 2 double crochets, and then 1 double crochet in your next 8 chains, and this is going to be your pattern repeat all the way around. At the end of the round, go ahead and slip stitch in your 3rd chain to close. Chain 3 to step up. This is going to be your first double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in your next stitch, and in your 2 chain space you are going to make your increase. So make 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 more double crochets, all in the same 2 chain space. So, and now to create our chevron stitch we are going to start decreasing. So we are going to make 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then skip 2 stitches and work your remaining 5 stitches. So 1 double crochet in your remaining 5 stitches. And now once again you've reached your 2 chain space, and in there you are going to make your increase. So 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 more double crochets in the same stitch. And now repeat 1 double crochet in your next 5 stitches and then skip 2 and 1 double crochet in your next 5 stitches. Once you're at the end of the round, you are going to slip stitch in your third chain to close, and then chain 3 to step up, 1 double crochet in your next stitch, 1 double crochet in your next stitch, so till you reach your 2 chain space, and in your 2 chain space you are going to repeat 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 more double crochets in the same 2 chain space. And now, since we are increasing, you are going to have 1 double crochet in your next 6 stitches, and then you are going to skip 2 and work 1 double crochet in your remaining 6 stitches till you reach your increase again. Okay, so this is going to be your pattern repeat all the way down till you reach your armpit. So since we are increasing each row, you are going to grow your work. Now it depends which size you are making. So for my dress, I've worked a total of 11 rows till I've reached my armpit. And then once you've reached your armpit, you are going to fold your piece like so. So put them in half and skip one pointy part, so for your shoulder, and join to your next pointy part. So I didn't film the whole making of this dress. I hope this is clear enough. So you are going to skip one pointy part and go to your next pointy part to join. So you are going to make first one increase of one pointy part, then chain 2 and go to the next 2 chain space that you want to join and make your 2 double crochets. So I hope this is clear enough, but still, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below this tutorial, so I'm happy to help you. Okay, so I went ahead and worked more rows for my dress. I've already joined for the armpit, and this is how it looks like for the moment. So we have all these increases till we reach the armpit, so 11 rows in total for my size. And then I've worked 1 row to join my armpits, and once you have joined your armpits, you are going to work 1 row by making your increases and 1 row without increases, which means when you reach your 2 chain space, you are going to work 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same 2 chain space. So this way you are not going to increase your work. But if you want to have more flair in your dress, go ahead and increase each row. And then after a while, I've worked 1 increase row and 5 rows without increases. Okay, so go ahead and work the way you like till you reach your desired length, and then meet me back to show you how to finish your dress. Okay, so here is my dress. I've worked a total of 50 rows till I reached my desired length. Now take your second color, so in my case it's going to be black cotton. Make a slip knot and rejoin. with a single crochet. And now we are going to work one row of single crochet all the way around, so make one single crochet in each stitch till you reach your increase. And now here in your 2 chain space you are going to make one single crochet, chain 2, and one single crochet in the same 2 chain space, and then make one single crochet in each stitch till you reach your 2 skipped stitches. And then here you are going to work the same pattern, so you're the same chevron stitch, skip 2, and in the next make one single crochet and then one single crochet in each stitch till you reach your 2 chain space, and this is going to be your pattern repeat all the way around. And then at the end of the round you are going to skip your last stitch and then join with a slip stitch in your second single crochet. So skip this one and skip your first single crochet and join with a slip stitch in your second single crochet, and then go ahead and work also around your arm opening, and if you like you can also work around your neckline. Once you have this done, meet me back to show you how to make your tassels and how to attach them. Okay, so to make the tassels, go ahead and cut 2 strands of yarn. So we are going to use this later on to attach our tassels, and take both of your colors and a small book and wrap around your book. I'm going to have to wrap about 25 times. Okay, so and go ahead and cut your yarn and pull your yarn off. So like so. And now take your scissors and cut them. Now take one piece of yarn you've already cut and put it in front of you like so, and then put your tassel. So your yarn should be in the middle of your tassel, and tie a few knots. Pull really tight. And now fold your yarn like so. So these 2 pieces we are going to use later on to attach our tassel to the dress. And now take your other piece of yarn and hold your tassel like this. So take your yarn and wrap around your tassel a few times, like so, and then go ahead and tie a few knots. So you really need to pull really tight. So you want to make sure your tassel is going to stay in place, like so. So this is what we have. And now take your hook and go inside of your tassel, or you can also take your yarn needle and thread it with your yarn. So we want to hide this yarn inside of the tassel. Like so. And then take your scissors, so you need to have a sharp scissor, and trim a little bit so that all of your strands have the same length, and your tassel is done. Okay, so go ahead and make your tassels. You need a total of 6 tassels to attach them. 4 for the bottom of the dress. So in this 2 chain space we are going to attach, and you are going to need 2 for the shoulder part. Okay, now let me show you how to attach your tassel. So you have these 2 strands you have left. Now take your hook and pull up 1 strand, and then take your other strand and tie a few knots. So you want to make sure your tassel is going to stay right there, and then thread your needle with your yarn, and then we are going to go from the top of the tassel right down to hide in our yarn. So repeat with your second strand, now go ahead with your needle. You can also put your needle through your 2 chain space. Now go ahead and hide in your strand, like so, and take your scissors and trim, and repeat this step for all of your tassels, and then you're done and you are ready to wear. So I'm at the end of my tutorial. I hope this was helpful and you are going to make one of these dresses. And if you do so, don't hesitate to share it with me on my social media. I would love to see your making. Thank you all for watching, and see you soon with a new one. Bye bye.